Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link a table to a calendar in Notion. This is incredibly useful for visualizing deadlines and managing projects more effectively, allowing you to see your tasks both in list format and on an actual calendar. Let's jump right in. First, open your Notion workspace by launching the Notion app or going to the web portal and selecting your workspace from the sidebar. Once you're in, click on the plus new page button in the sidebar to create a fresh page. From the database options that appear, select Table to add a new table database to your page. This table will serve as the foundation for your calendar integration. Now, give your table a name that makes sense for what you're tracking. Something like tasks or projects works well. Next, click the plus Add a Property button in your table and select Date from the property types. Name this column something clear like due date so you know exactly what it's tracking. This date property is crucial because it's what the calendar view will use to display your items. With your table structure set up, go ahead and populate it with some data. Enter task names in one column and their corresponding due dates in the date column you just created. This gives you actual content to work with when you create your calendar view. Here's where it gets interesting. Click the plus menu at the top right of your table. This is where Notion lets you add different views of the same database. From the options, choose Calendar as the view type. You'll be prompted to name your calendar view, so call it something like Task Calendar to keep things organized. Once you create the calendar view, Notion automatically maps your tasks to the calendar using those due dates you entered. You'll see your tasks appear on their respective dates, giving you a visual timeline of everything you need to accomplish. The beauty of this setup is that you can add new tasks directly from the calendar view or add them to the table and they'll instantly appear on the calendar. Finally, switch freely between your table and calendar views using the view tabs at the top of the database. Any changes you make in one view automatically update in the other since they're both looking at the same underlying data. This dual perspective makes managing tasks significantly more flexible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.